Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. We have an opening, we have an unboxing today. I am super excited. This is coming all the way from Texas. This is the new box for Simply Gilded. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna show you the whole box. At the end of the video, I'll show you the mystery item. So, but I'll let you know, okay? If you don't want to know, you'll have time to stop the video and so you don't have to watch it, okay? So let's open this baby. Oh, this month this box is so pretty, you guys. Okay, let me see what's the all right, so we're gonna start with the mini album. Oh yeah, it's so tiny, so tiny. Let me show you the other album that I have. These are the only two albums that I have, okay? It's about 2/3 of the size of the regular. I don't know if this is the regular. Yeah, I think this is the regular size, the mini, and then they have a large, right? Or extra large. Anywho, it's smaller than that. So let's open this up. So when I saw the sneak peeks on Instagram, I just, oh my gosh, so stinking cute, stinking cute. Let me see what I can fit in here. Okay, so this ones are little samplers or stickers from, this was $3.65. You can see the size here. I'm gonna check and see if the stickers that come in the box are gonna fit here. This is super cute, you guys. Oh, so cute. So that's the first item. Okay, so this is the B6 notebook, and I'm not sure what pattern or if it's blank or whatnot, but I'm not gonna open it until I use it, okay? I want to save it. So next we have, let's get this big thing right here. All right, so for this box we got a, let me see what this is. This is a weekly notepad. So let's take a look. I like the size. This is nice. All right. Oh, this is a good size, you guys. You can also add a magnet if you would like to put this like on your fridge. You can add a magnet here, and that would work nicely too. So you have the date, you have the week, Monday through Friday, and then you have Saturday and Sunday split here. Notes, to do, top goals here. This is pretty. I like it. All right. So let's see. What do you want to see next? The stickers? All right. So this is the new format, okay? This is the new way that she's gonna do her stickers. So let's take a look. All right, so we still have one sheet of numbers with icons here, and they are, let me see, it looks like they're clear, transparent. Let's see. Yeah, no, they're paper. Okay, and they're in the shape of a heart, so we always get one of those. All right, so for this month, these are the bow seals here. Oh, so pretty. We're gonna have 4 sheets. These ones are bigger. Okay, so I don't know why she sent us a mini, but the new stickers are even bigger than the old ones. Let me see. Let me take a look real quick. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, they're the same size. Okay, so these are not gonna fit in this mini album, okay? All right, so here's the first sheet. You have some headers, checklist, boxes. So these boxes look really small. They're not gonna fit in your happy planner. So it's probably for a B6 or a daily. This would be good for a daily. All right, so we have all of these flags here, some deco. These bows are so cute, so tiny. It's cute. All right, so now we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. She's given us 3 weeks in total here. Oh no, 4. Here's another. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different weeks here. Some to-dos, some more boxes here. And the last one is full boxes, but they're still smaller than like your normal or like your regular Happy Planner Classic. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So we got all of those stickers. All right, so next, oh, look at the back of the box. Oh my God, so cute. I think I'm gonna keep this box. Maybe we'll do something with it. Yeah, that's cute. All right, so let me show you. Okay, so this is the journaling card. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. We also, this is the Jasper magnet. Oh, so cute. Oh, sorry. It's really big. Look at that. Let me show you. Oops. So this is the other one that I have, and this is the new one. Let's take a look at the pen, which I don't know. I feel like the pen is my least favorite thing of all of the boxes, just because it's the same pen, you know, for every single month. It just changes the color and that's it. So this one's a nice cream with gold, but it's, I don't know. The pen is not my favorite thing. All right, so we get 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got 4 of the 30mm washi. We have this green with a gold band. This is just, let me see. They're flowers, little flowers. Okay, now this one, okay, this is the one that has the eggs and the crock pot, an oven. This one's cute. Now we have this one here with gold. We have Jasper. Super cute. All right, so after that we have the matching plaid right here in the smaller size. We have, oh, days of the week. Oh, awesome. I really like this ones. So we have the days of the week, and then we have just a gold band. Okay, and here is the smaller 5mm. So we have the plaid that matches this, that matches this one. We have the color block, which matches the pen. It's this cream with the gold. We have like a star and green, and then the hearts. All right, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so 11 rolls because I get the add-on. All right, so that's the washi, the album, the magnet, the pen, the little book, the card, the stickers, and the notepad. All right. So I'm just opening the box with you guys. I'm not reviewing this. You know, you'll see me using the washi and everything else in other videos. So I'll say goodbye to those of you who don't want to see the mystery item, and I'll give you 1, 2, 3. Bye. Okay, so for those of you who want to see the item, here it is. Let me show you. So I don't know what it is actually. So it looks like it's a recipe card, right? Okay. Yeah, so it has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, they're all the same on the back. And you have that bundt cake, jasper, all of the ingredients, and then the plaid with a bow. Very cute. You actually don't have to use it as a recipe card. You can do, oh, and then you have this one here. It's the same size as the journaling card, just going the opposite side. It's going horizontally. Okay, so that is the mystery item, and here's the box. I'm excited to see if this is gonna work with my happy planner. They're gonna be really small, but there's a lot of them. There's a lot of stickers here. So there you go. All right, you guys, so this is my unboxing. This is for the month of October, right? Maybe not. Let me see. Yes, October 2021. Let me see. Yeah, this is for October. And I am pleased with everything except with the pen. I know a lot of people like this, but I wish it was a different color, you guys. I think that's the only thing that is like really turning me off, or the only thing that is kind of disappointing, because look at how many I have already, and I just started purchasing from her. I mean, they're cute, but they're all black. I mean, if we had at least 1 or 2 blue or pink or green or something else, you know, because now I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 black pens. Yeah. You know what? Let's take a look at this real quick. I want to open this. I want to see how the plaid is going to look. Let me take a look. Because when I saw this on Instagram, it looked like super, super cute. But maybe because it's rolled on itself. Yeah, the plaid is very light. You can hardly see it. Doesn't have that punch that I thought it was gonna have. All right, it's cute nonetheless, but it's very pale. It's very light. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this quick video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.